Hello guys, I'm Shrest and welcome to the tutorial 3 of Java's beginner program. So today I'm going to make you install Eclipse IDE, and I promise this is the last time I will make you install or download anything. So as you remember, last time we wrote our code in Notepad, and it makes our work a bit difficult that we have to open command prompt and run our code individually there. So an IDE is an integrated development environment where we can write our codes and compile it at the same place. So let's do it. So open your browser and type Eclipse. Now open this download link. And select this download button and now download. So I have already downloaded the Eclipse earlier. So after download is complete, just open your setup. It must be in the download folder of your system. So run the setup here. So you will get these options like Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Enterprise Java and web developers, C and C++. So what we need to install is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now select this and you will get. So the one thing we must notice that in the last tutorials we set the path location of our JDK. So it is automatically detecting it. And if you don't have a particular reason to change the installation folder, don't change it. Like mine is custom here and yours must be showing C in place of D here. So just hit install and it will take some time. So I have already installed Eclipse in my system, so I am not going to do that. So let's close it. So after your installation is complete, you will get a window asking for the workspace. So you can either close that window or you can continue from there. Like let me show you if I get that one. Nope. So what you will be getting is you will be getting a window something like this, asking for a workspace or so. So you can just click next on it. No need to change anything about it. So when you do it, you will get a welcome screen like this. So this is our Eclipse IDE. So to run our first Java program here, what we need to do is click on Files, New and Java Project. So you will get a window asking for the project name. So you can name it anything you want. Like I am going to name it I think YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is good. And select finish. Now it will be ask you to make a new module, but we don't need one, so select don't create and okay. Yes. So we can just close this window. Okay, so this is our workspace now. So what you need to do is click on your project. It is visible here in Package Explorer, and right click on this source file, this src, new, and select class. So as you remember from the previous tutorials that everything in Java is in the classes, so select class. Now again the source folder, we don't need to change anything here, so we need to provide a name. So the name, let's name it class name man. Oops. And finish. So now you see we have a public class here with mangoes. Now you remember from the previous tutorials that we have already made a code here which must be in your C drive Java. So I'm not going to write the whole code here, so simply I will open and copy all this and paste. So we have our code here, and now to run the code in Eclipse. It is a very good feature of the Eclipse that now we don't have to open command prompt and write all those Java C and stuff. We can simply hit this green button with a triangle, white triangle upon it. So just hit it and OK. And as you can see, we are getting our code, hello YouTube. So one more thing I want to show you that why. Let's clear it a bit. That why we installed Eclipse, that why we needed it. So let's suppose we made an error in writing our code, like in place of system I do something like SAM or so. So you can see it is already automatically identifying the error here, and once you click it, it is telling us the default package, open the class, something. And if we don't pay attention to it also and simply run the program, it is a error exists in required project. It is all automatically telling us, and you can see there is a red underline here, so that is also indicating that we have an error in our project. And if we still proceed, you can see here exception, some error, okay, at mangoes main, line number 6. We have an error in line number 6, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so we have an error here. So that's it for this tutorial, and I promise from the next tutorial we will get into the programming stuff. And now you have your idea here, so you can play a bit with it, and see you in the next video.